Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Unscrew and remove bottom base. Then disconnect battery cable. Now unscrew and remove battery. Now unscrew and remove bracket, then disconnect display cable. Then unscrew and disconnect wireless card. Now unscrew and remove display assembly. Now use fingers to separate and turn over screen. Then disconnect and remove screen. Then unscrew and remove hinges. The remaining piece is the back cover. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.